Hey guys, this is some Creep, and I'm sitting on bed. My dog. Oh no. Oh. I'm sitting on my kitchen floor eating a banana pepper. If you guys don't know what a banana pepper is, I will show you. I'm literally not even that far from my kitchen, or from my refrigerator. This is what a banana pepper is. Yeah, they're tasty. And they're not spicy, they're not sweet. They're full of seeds and juice. So, be careful. And if you guys see the juice inside, it's just like that. It has pickle juice basically. It's like pickle, like in the box pickles that have juice, so does these. So do these. And if you drink some, it makes your tummy and heart feel all weird stuff. Yeah. So it's 8:29 a.m. and I have not been to bed yet. So I decided. So I did not decide. I have a lot of chores to do. Look at this one. This one's all printed. Like a true banana pepper. But I have a lot of chores for today, so I thought I should record them because I have my camera out in the living room, but it was so like my laptop camera's really crappy. So I had to come in here where it was a little bit darker because of the light and how light it is outside. Because Colorado was really close to the sun. So, yeah, but I have to take a shower, which I'm not going to record that. I have to clean my room, which you guys saw how messy it was, so I'm definitely going to record that. It might be a long video. And then I have to clean outside with all of the snow, and then I have to clean the stairs, but Rex, no! Rex! Come! Sorry, my dog. But I will definitely record those. So, I'll record it off my camera. My little crappy camera and stuff, and then upload it. So, yeah. These are so delicious. But if you eat a lot, like, it ruins your heart. It ruins your heart or something like that. But I gotta pee, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Yeah. So definitely let's go. Then probably when I'm done with my yeah. But probably when I'm done with that, I'll just I'll probably just walk around the neighborhood recording and talking about stupid stuff. So, no. And I'm going to go because I have to pee. And I'm going to go shower and start my day out fresh and shit. So, yeah. Since I feel sick anyways, might as well go take a nice, long, tasty shower. So, virtual kiss and...